Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unfollow someone on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Twitch is the go-to platform for gaming enthusiasts to watch stream of their favorite gamers. It has really surged into popularity since the pandemic began, with people stuck at home in the lockdown looking for entertainment. Twitch has also provided a way for content creators to earn income by allowing viewers to subscribe to their channel. The platform also viewers allows viewers to follow their favorite content creators so they can show their support further. When viewers follow a particular creator, they are notified when they are live or have a new stream coming up. However, with the vast range of content that Twitch has to offer, some of the channels that you were following yearly might not interest you anymore. So you want to unfollow them. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Twitch, and when you open your profile, there's no option to see your following. There's only followers. So how if you want to unfollow them, unfollow the following list on your Twitch, you can just go to your home and you'll find there's an option of following. So you can just tap on that. So here's all the following channels and users on your Twitch. If you want to unfollow one of them, you can just choose on the profile. You can tap on here. There's an option unfollow. You can just tap on that. So now you have unfollowed that users from your uh, Twitch. It's so simple, right? You can do the same thing like this. So it's so simple, right, to unfollow someone from your Twitch. So that is how to unfollow someone on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.